Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. It's like 85 degrees here now. So this top is it's not a top, it's actually a dress. But I don't dress like that. So I made it a top. And I got some capri leggings. So, yeah, I would never wear a dress this short. Maybe if I was 45 years younger, I would. Not now. Don't nobody want to see all that. So, that's how the back looks. Get my pose on. And this top has pockets, yeah. I don't put nothing in the pockets. But nice to have. Has pockets without adding bulk. You know, I like the color. Let me show you the shoes that I wore with these today. This top. They're over here. These go perfect. These Crocs. I got them blinged out. So I got all color Crocs. Okay. I'm gonna put them back over here. Because we don't walk in the house with shoes on. So, I want to thank you for watching. I didn't get my pose on, did I? I don't like showing these fat arms. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.